Attaching DigitalOcean Droplet backups is a crucial process to ensure data safety and business continuity. To start, you need to have a DigitalOcean account and a Droplet with backups enabled. First, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the Droplets page. Identify the droplet you want to attach a backup to and click on it to access its details page. Next, scroll down to the Backups section and click on the Create Backup button if you don't have any existing backups. If you already have backups, you can proceed to the next step. To attach a backup, click on the More menu next to the backup you want to attach and select Restore. Then, choose the droplet you want to attach the backup to from the drop-down menu. You can either restore to an existing droplet or create a new one. If you choose to restore to an existing droplet, make sure it has enough storage space to accommodate the backup. If you choose to create a new droplet, select the appropriate plan and configuration. Once you have selected the droplet, click the Restore button to start the attachment process. The attachment process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the backup. You can monitor the progress from the Droplet Details page. After the attachment is complete, your droplet will have the backup data attached to it. It is essential to note that attaching a backup will overwrite any existing data on the droplet. So make sure to only attach backups to droplets that you intend to restore. Best practices for attaching DigitalOcean Droplet backups include regularly creating backups, testing backups to ensure they are working correctly, and storing backups in a secure location. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure your data is safe and easily recoverable in case of any issues. Attaching DigitalOcean Droplet backups is a simple and effective way to protect your data and ensure business continuity.